Got a 7SUVDE file claiming to be a self-extracting archive? This appears to be a 7-zip SFX archive variant. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these 7-zip self-extracting files. Before we dive into the fix, let me quickly advise. A dedicated universal file reader is your best defense against formats like 7SUVDE. I'll discuss this preferred again tool later. 7SUVDE files are self-extracting archive files associated with 7-zip compression technology. They combine compressed archive data with extraction code, creating standalone executables that decompress contents without requiring 7-zip software installation on the target system. The format provides convenient distribution for compressed file packages. 7SUVDE files use 7-zip's SFX self-extracting format, combining a small executable stub with 7-zip compressed data. The stub contains extraction code that runs when the file is executed, automatically decompressing the embedded archive contents to the user's chosen location with progress display and completion notification. 7-zip from Igor Pavlov should be your first choice when attempting to open 7SUVDE. The extraction process relies on algorithms not included in the Windows operating system. Windows shows only basic attributes of compressed files, so full access requires compatible software. We are going to check every application on the list. Right-click the 7SUVDE file and hit Open With. Test 7-zip if present. If it fails, select another program. Remember, trial and error is expected. If your 7SUVDE file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. We're skipping the panic and focusing on the facts. Let's quickly review the common technical reasons your system is reporting this specific 7SUVDE error. First, running the self-extractor. Execute 7SUVDE files like any other program by double-clicking, which automatically extracts contents to the specified location. The extraction process displays progress and completion status without requiring additional software. This is the easiest method for accessing the compressed contents on Windows systems. Next, opening with 7-zip. Open 7SUVDE files directly in 7-zip even if they're self-extracting executables. Right-click the file and select 7-zip, then Open Archive. 7-zip displays the embedded archive contents, allowing selective extraction without running the executable. This provides safer access for unknown or untrusted self-extractors. Finally, examining for safety. Scan 7SUVDE files with antivirus software before execution, since self-extracting archives can contain malware. Use multiple security tools for thorough scanning. Treat unknown self-extractors with caution, especially from unfamiliar sources, to prevent malware infections through executable archive files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.